Taylor, are you talking to Grandma? Where are you going to take her? Huh?
Are we running away?
Taylor, where are you and Grandma going?
Don't be skipping.
Oh, you're going to take her over here to Morgan? Yeah. What's Grandma doing on there? Is she saying hi to you?
Where's your nose?
Oh. You're pointing to Grandma's nose, aren't you? Yeah. Where's Taylor's nose?
Where's my ear?
Oh, that's her nose.
Did you do this, Taylor?
Oh. Yeah. Taylor, can you wave bye to Mommy? Is that... We'll keep talking to Grandma?